After a clean install of Windows 7 with Service Pack 1, Windows Update will often give error code 80072EFE. As you can see, if you go to Windows Update, you are told that Windows could not search for new updates, and your error code is 80072EFE. To fix this error, you need to manually download 2 Windows updates from the Microsoft Update catalog. Unfortunately, Internet Explorer cannot access that page, so first we will have to install a different browser. I will download Firefox by going into Internet Explorer and, in the address bar at the top, type download Firefox, then press enter. To make it easier to see my results, I will maximize the browser. I will go straight to the download page by clicking the download link. Make sure that you are going to the correct page to get Firefox. Because we are running an old operating system, the website refused to automatically pick the right installer. Click on the download in another language or for another operating system link. On the new page, I do a Ctrl+F to start a find, and type English to quickly get to the language I want. I scroll past the British and Canadian versions, but you could use those or any other language that works best for you. For whatever language you decide to use, you will need to download the MSI installer version. I will tell it to run instead of downloading it. You have to give the installer permission to install Firefox. I'll close my browser and minimize the update error. Once Firefox is installed, start it and go to www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. Once the site is up, you have a search in the upper right of the page. The first thing to search for is KB3020369 and click search or press enter. I am running Windows 7 64-bit, and that is the one of the 4 available, so that is the one I will download by clicking the download button to the right. There will be a pop-up window. You have to click the link to actually download the file. Next, change the search to KB3125574 and search for that update. Again, I need to download the 64-bit Windows 7 file, this time from 3 choices. Again, I need to download the 64-bit Windows 7 file, this time from 3 choices. I accidentally clicked twice to download, ignore that. While it is downloading the second file, I will start the installation of the first file I downloaded. These files need to be installed: KB3020369 first, then KB3125574 second. Once the installation is complete for the first file, close the window and if necessary wait for the second file to finish downloading. While the second file is installing, I will close my browser and File Explorer, just to remove screen clutter for this video. After the second update installs, the computer needs to restart. Simply click Restart and wait. The updates will continue to install during the shutdown phase and continue when Windows restarts. This part of the video was greatly sped up to match narration. Now go to check for Windows updates again. The searching for updates might take a long time depending on the speed of the computer and the speed of your internet, so be patient. In the past, I have seen this take over 7 hours. For this video, I am running Windows 7 on a very fast computer in a virtual machine with 500/500 internet, and it took approximately 3.5 minutes. Now you can start installing updates again. If you found this video helpful, please like it. If you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and click the bell for notifications. Parts of this video were sped up, other parts were slowed down, to match narration. If you found this video helpful, please like it. If you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and click the bell for notifications.